Okay guys, so hello everyone. I hope you are absolutely doing fine. So guys, let us begin today's daily tech news, which is our episode number 26. Okay guys, our first news coming from Poco about their model Poco X2, that two new smartphones colors have been launched. So first of all, these two colors are of green and orange zones. So you can, if you want to buy it, you can buy it from Flipkart, as Flipkart is taking the new orders of Poco X2. Okay guys, our second news coming from OnePlus about their model OnePlus Z. So first of all, some leaks and specifications are showing that this phone is going to be releasing in this July. So guys, the details of this phone are as leaked is that this phone is going to be on Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset. And guys, if you want to talk about the price segment, the price is going to be between 25,000 to 30,000. So guys, as soon as I get to know more details and more specifications, I will be of course updating you all. Okay guys, so let us move on to our next news. Okay guys, our next news coming from Microsoft is about their Model 3 new Surface devices have been launched. So first of all, the Surface Pro 7, next of all the Surface Pro X, and third comes the Laptop 3. These are the three new devices that have been launched from Microsoft. Okay guys, our next news coming from Motorola is about their model Motorola Razr. So guys, it has gone live sale on Flipkart from today, and guys, you can pre-order it, but the deliveries is going to start from May 8. Okay guys, let us move on to our next news. Okay guys, our next news coming from again OnePlus is that their always on display is in development, and that is going to come on high refresh rate phones, means 90 Hz or above, and it is going to be hitting these high refresh rate phones by the end of 2020. So guys, let us move on to our next news. Okay guys, so our next news coming from Xiaomi about their model Redmi Note 9 Pro, that is going to be on sale live from today on their Mi's official website, that is mi.com or amazon.in. You can get the order done, but the deliveries will be delayed. It will be starting from May 9th. So guys, if you want to order the Mi Note 9 Pro, you can order from amazon.in or Mi's own website, that is mi.com. So guys, let me talk about the price segment. The price segment is going to be between 13,999 to 16,999. That means the top variant, that means 6GB 128GB is going to cost you 16,999, and the lower variant, that is 4GB and 64GB is going to cost you 13,999. And guys, three colors have been specified for this model. So first of all, the Glacier White, the Aurora Blue, and the Industrial Black. Okay guys, let us move on to our next news. Okay guys, so our next news coming from Samsung. Some good news is that two of their models, Galaxy M21 and A50s, are having a price cut on the regular price. So let us talk about the price of Galaxy M21. The price have been discounted to 12,699, and guys, the price of Galaxy A50s, the price is going to begin from 18,599. So remember, these are the price segment. You can order the phone from amazon.in or from Samsung's own official website. So guys, our next news coming from Apple is that their MacBook Pro has been updated with the magical keyboard, and the price segment is going to begin from 1,22,990. So if you want to buy it, you can buy it from the Apple's official website, or you can order in amazon.in. Okay guys, our final news coming from Oppo is a new model has been launched yesterday in Malaysia. So that model has been named as Oppo A92. So guys, let us talk about the full details and the specifications. So first of all, this phone comes with a 5000 mAh of battery that will support up to 18 watts of fast charging, and the price segment has been termed as 21,000. And the display will be of 6.5 inches of IPS LCD screen, that means no AMOLED screen is here. So guys, let us talk about the camera setup. The camera will be of 4 cameras, that means it will have a quad camera setup at the back along with a single front camera, means a single selfie camera. Okay guys, so by this news, we just came to the end of our daily tech news, which is our episode number 26, and I hope you enjoyed it. Then please give me a like, and if you are new to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon for getting regular daily updates. And guys, have a fantastic day, alright?